Yo, AC Legion, you know. One go. Pepper Brain represent for DJ SWICKED Vlogs, you see? You get it? I'm here saying me tired of nightmares. Tired to sip the rum with the light there. Me left me hard and tell me family I go find fair. Them still have to see the picking at Times Square. One go, DJ SWICKED Vlogs, Pepper Brain. I'm out.
Greetings, my beautiful people, my loving people. DJ SWICKED Vlogs out here again. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, joy and happiness, my beautiful people. Is it? Yes, no, man. That is it. And people, today you don't know. It's a lovely, 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 lovely day, people. And I want to tell you guys that I'm about to show you a little about the market life. You see it? So right now, my people, I want you to stay tuned as I'm going to show you a little. You see it? How I'm going to go on the market shop tonight and, go on a little view on the map tonight and show you a little bit of what I want. You know what I mean? So, people, don't know. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you 2 little breadfruit I have right now. The rest of them, they're up on the road. The truck gonna pick them up. So, you guys now get to see that part. But I try my best to make you can see as much as I can show you. So, people, make sure you start like, share. You see me if you never yet subscribe to my channel, people. Oh gosh. DJ SWICKED Vlogs more than deserve it. Oh God, man. Yes, my people, them, man. We're active and we're out here. You see it? Yeah, man. You have to happy up yourself. You see it? So people can watch your thing and happy too. So, people, we're out here. You see it? So, if you never yet click the subscribe bell, yes, man, do your right thing. DJ SWICKED Vlogs would have love for you guys just do the right thing and give me a thumbs up. You see it? So, yeah, man, make sure you give me a thumbs up, people. DJ SWICKED Vlogs deserve it. You know what I mean? So, yes, people, I'm going to make you see a little while ago. Yes, my people. Yes, my beautiful viewers, beautiful subscribers. You know what I mean? Those are some maca breadfruit, people. You see it? Yeah, man. I'm just throwing them in the bag, reason being, because as you can see, all I want, they have a little beast thing up and thing. Yeah, man. Just throw them in the bag, my people, because you don't know, up on my lane, I pick them at our neighbor yard and stuff. Yeah, man. So, I decided that I just throw them in the bag. Everything come to 17. You see it? Yeah, man. So, I have some little beast thing up on in that. So, yes, no, man. People, I have a one maca in this, and the rest of them common breadfruit, them people. Yeah, man, I have a lot of common breadfruit gonna show you probably later in the night or in the morning. So, my people, hope you start like, share, leave a comment, my people. You see it, you know, when DJ SWICKED Vlogs really busy, when you can't get to really see much of some stuff when me I do, but people, I mean, we out here, man, and we are trying to do the best. You see it, sorry you guys couldn't see when me I climb the tree and all of that, but, you know, yeah, man, that's one of them things, my people. You see it, soon as possible, we soon start see more epic thing, because as me say, I'm always gonna be down to earth, no matter which part in this world God help me to be. Yeah, man, always gonna be down to earth, peeps. That is it. You know what I mean? Yes, no, man. So, some classic them, people. Classic. You got it. Yes, peeps, are the truck that are forward, you know. Good old market truck, you know. Easy, no, man. Yeah, I did, me, sir. I saw them man they did badness more while, you know, market truck life, you know. Them have to pack in that bag though.
So what make I do? Fuck them?
Yeah, I just put them in the bag. Yes, my peeps. Don't know in a country life. Is it? That is it. Now market me I go in a peeps. I try to saddle up the bag, you know.
Don't drop my crack in.
Joe,
Very nice one. Make it.
Jack Rooney and make them the guard. Drive panic guard down.
And they know about a clown. Oh, when the young man call a man clown. You ever want to show it on clown?
Yes, peeps. Just load up and now. I'm going to town, you know. I'm line up for going to town and all the peeps. You see. Show fully packed, you know. You see it? Yes, I will see. You see it, people. So stay tuned. I'll take you along with me tonight, you know. So journey along, people. Yes, peeps. Tonight I feel like more to see that this struggle is life. It's life, you see it? In life, there are no better rules, you know? Sure, the guy them say you are different trading. The man from here, 6, 7, 8, 10, travel back market. Bigger than this. Running back to the money. They are like back off. Right tonight, you know.